In 5 days, 11,000 of these have been ordered. They're called the Glitz Strut. Medium and wide widths available, 5 through 11 whole and half sizes. You are now going to slip into a cute, comfy, and convenient mule, which I love, with the signature soft knit upper that feels like a sock, that's gonna mold to your foot, and then a touch, a kiss of a rhinestone embellishment, and then the cushioned memory foam on the inside. It even has a great little heel pillow, and the best part is that it's a deep heel cup, so you're going to stay put. Sometimes in mules or in slides, you kind of fall off the back. You can't because of that deep heel cup. Saving over $10 on these. The color that we're looking at right there is the sage. It's more of a mint, did we say? Aqua? Aqua. It's like an aqua color. That's exactly what it is. It's an aqua color. This is my favorite. It's called the lilac. It is a blushy mauve. We also have the navy. We've got more colors for you. And the item number is 675103, and you could see the Aurora Borealis crystals on the front. So there is the natural, and we've got it for you in the black. And 11,000 in 5 days. There's a reason why.
Yes. I mean, we all love a mule because it's just the easiest thing ever. It's like I don't know, it's that perfect hybrid moment where you're getting coverage, but you also get a little bit of airflow in the back if you need it. It's a knit upper, so it's going to be so soft on your skin. But if you want to wear a sock with this, that also works very well because this is easy going. And when I say easy going, that refers to that whole outsole combination that we have on this. It performs like a sneaker. It's lightweight, it's shock absorbing, great traction, but the inside of an easy going is always going to provide that relaxed fit. So you get a roomier foot feel in the forefoot. So you can wiggle your toes, wear a thicker sock if you want to. You also have memory foam that you're standing on, giving you that nice feeling of cushion and comfort and support. But this one, it's just adorable. It's like, oh, and then you can see that heel cup as well. So usually, you know, a mule, you're sliding in, but we want to make sure you're not going to slide right out the back and have to clench your toes to keep it on. You don't have to do that. It fits so well, almost like a shoe, because of that generous heel cup with extra padding in there. Then I just love the take with the sparkles on this one. It's not overdone. It's not over the top, like drenched in glitter. It's just a little subtle amount of sparkle that just makes me happy. And I think it just looks pretty. From a distance, they look like little floral prints.
Subtle sparkle. That's really what it's all about. Now, we do have styles that have a lot more sparkle.
Yeah.
And I love them too. But this, and plus the crystals are so beautiful because they have that Aurora Borealis feel to them. So you have like a rainbow effect coming through and that little kiss of sparkle. But now let's go in, we'll go in close. Oh yeah.
Ooh, good shot. That's pretty.
Ooh, yeah, that's what happens to everyone when we see sport. That's why I love doing jewelry shows, because it's just constantly, ooh, wow. Okay, so yes.
I love the way they catch the light.
Yeah.
And I think like when you're not in a well-lit area, they're not like screaming glitter or rhinestone. They just kind of like hang out. But then when they're ready to shine, if you want to, you know, have lights on, they shine, or in the sun. I just think it's nice, and everything about it is comfort. Even the inside, though you see those rhinestones, you don't feel them underneath.
Yeah.
All you're feeling is soft, stretch knit that is like sock-like comfort.
Yep, no, you don't even know the rhinestones are there. Sometimes they have the prongs coming out the back. These do not, which is awesome. Now, you said this is the air-cooled memory foam. Let's go into that.
Yeah, so when you slide into these mules, you really feel that Skechers difference with that memory foam that really molds to your foot and gives you that really nice cushion support. I mean, it's just like your memory foam mattress or pillow if you've ever had one of those. You really feel it contour to your unique foot shape, and it gives you a personalized fit that every time you get back into it, it rises back up and It just feels like it's brand new all over again. We're really known for our memory foam, so it's a nice feature to have in this one. This is something you can wear all day. You can really have fun with it. It's obviously not doesn't look like a lace-up sneaker by any means, but you're going to get the support that you would in a sneaker, especially that outsole. So if you need to walk the dog, or you're going on a trip, or you're just going to be out and about all day, you can feel great in these and look really cute too.
So, I mean, look at this outfit. This is a gorgeous outfit that's coming up next hour from Isaac Mizrahi, right? So a very elegant blouse, more of a casual jean, but stylish. And then with these little shoes,
That
this
was so
is
cute.
so put together. But couldn't be any more comfortable. A675103. In 5 days, 11,000 of these have been ordered. I would, at this point, at this price, under $55. We're saving over $10, and I even think that that's being you know, conservative on it. I would get a lot of us are picking up a few colors. The navy, and that's got a gray sole, most popular, the navy. Then we have this, we're calling this the sage, but it's really an aqua color, and that has like also a gray sole. Here's the natural, that's all together, same color. There's the all black, and then the lilac as well, which is the one that I was wearing. There it is, there's the lilac, A675103. Hi, Rach.